Hi, this is Selena Daisy Ifawui. I would like to share with you a 4-step cure training course. It's going to be a total of 16 classes. That's 2 classes a month. I'm going to provide you with a personalized workbook, guest speakers, videos, hands-on projects, which include a vision board and more. The 4-step cure includes financial, mental, physical, spiritual tools to help you find your life's purpose. Financially, we're going to discuss the secrets to creating wealth, increasing our credit score, budgeting, and couponing tips. Mentally, we're going to talk about self-discipline, deadly emotions, social psychology, the laws of success, and how to meditate. Physically, we will create a well-balanced diet plan, pain management plans, holistic remedies, a 7-day-a-minute exercise routine, detoxing and superfoods. Spiritually, we're going to discover our Ori, our energy, Reiki, chakras, affirmations, and the Orishas, and how to protect yourself. Go to ifawui.com right now and register.